Hey everyone, today we are going to talk about how to manually create a footprint. We'll use an 0805 capacitor as our example. First, let's create a new footprint and name it 0805 capacitor. Then, click Schematic categories. For the first level category, choose capacitor. For the second level category, choose SMD. Click Apply, Confirm. Next, select the category you just set and click Confirm again. Finally, click Save, and you enter the footprint editor. An SMD capacitor footprint usually has two paths. Go to Place, Path, Single Path, and place the first path. In the properties, set layer to top and the coordinate to 0. This makes calculations easier later. Place the second part, set its y coordinate to 0. So, both the paths are on the same horizontal line. At this point, the path size and the spacing aren't set yet. We will do that next. First, check the 0805 capacitor datasheet from a reliable source like LCSC. According to the datasheet, body width equals 0.5 mm. Pad width is usually enlarged 1.2 to 2 times for easier soldering. Let's go with 2. So the pad width equals 1 mm. Back in the editor, change the part shape to rectangle and set the width to 1 mm. The capacitor body height is 1.25, so we enlarge the pad height by 1.2 by 1.5 mm. Update both pads to 1.5 mm height. Keep in mind, even though the pads are bigger, the spacing between them stays the same. From the datasheet, total body length equals 2 mm, pad width equals 0.5 mm each, gap between pads equals 1 mm. Back in the editor, open Choose Smart Dimension tool. Pick one pad's edge as the start point, the other pad edge as the end point. Enter 1 mm and click Confirm. Now the spacing between the two pads is perfectly set. Once the paths are done, exit the Smart Dimension tool. Go to Place, Line, Polyline. Switch the layer to top silk screen and draw a silk screen outline around the path. You can use curve to quickly create the silk screen on the other side. When you are done, hit Ctrl S to save quickly. In the library panel, go to Footprints, Partner, Capacitor, SMD, and there you'll see the 0805 capacitor footprint we just created.